Good. Doing well. Just gonna come out here. How we doing?
How you doing, sir? Good to see you.
Good to see you. You know, I gotta clean up every once in a while. But so who's running TV for us today?
Let's go. Go, get upfield. There you go. Nice, easy job. Same thing, compete, have fun, learn, stay healthy, gentlemen. You said it, Coach, let's get it going.
I appreciate the work. All right, so on this west side here, looks like we got Benson and Buena 2, and then over here we got Buena 1 and Bisbee. Okay, coaches, if you got Hey, showtime on 3. 1, 2, 3. Showtime! Good luck, guys.
Check.
Watch it out!
Move up 5. Jason, go out.
Watch on you, man. Hey, out! Guys! Hey, good. Let's go.
Stay there!
Good.
Don't trail, Ramon, don't trail.
Hey, get that.
Good job.
Good defense!
Ramon,
Hey, you gotta fight through that!
There you go, Justin! Out there, baby! Let's go! Let's go! Motion! Go!
Mario, you got 4.
Baby!
Douglas, 2 plays.
Take it off. Let's go.
What a catch, man!
You fucking suck, Ivan.
Defense!
Every single time?
I didn't start going with paper.
Really?
Defense!
You gotta switch it up. Do something.
Close! There you go. Hey, we'll take that. Just rally up. Ooh.
4th down, coach. 4th down.
Let's go. Offense. Ready? Go. Good. Go. Good. There you go. Good. Ready? Go. Good.
There you go.
Ready? Go. Hey, much sooner. Go. Get it. There you go. Good. Good ball.
There you go.
Defense. Let's go. Defense.
Hey, one move and you're gone.
Bunch.
Hey, let's go! Oh! Oh, Labs all day, boys, come on. Hey, let's go!
Falcon, why are we turning our back? Sit in your zone.
Hey, he's coming down.
Weak. Hey. Let's go, Justin! Give that up. We're good. Hey, we're here. We're here. Hit it. Take it.
Take it up!
Let's go on the 40, on the 40. Let's go. On the 40, on the 40. To the 40, to the 40. Let's go.
There you go, good shit. All day, baby.
Let's go, let's go, coach. Good game, good game, good game. Defense. Offense. Defense, let's go. Offense.
Good. Move it.
Hey, see it, attack it. There you go. Mario, good. Better. Good job. Good. Way to be there. Hey. Good. Offense, let's go.
Here, tag.
Hit it. There you go. Put it.
Oh! gotta sit. You gotta sit.
Fourth down.
Hit it. There you go. There you go. Skeletor quick. Skeletor quick. Now.
No.
Oh,
Hey, we'll take it.
you gotta throw it in the middle. Hit it. Hit it. Hey, wrong guy, but it worked. Hey, first.
Oh, come on, AJ.
Hey, landed.
What do you say? Hey, Alex.
Stay more in the middle, Mario. Ooh. There we go. Better. Let's go, Caesar. Don't let that get behind. Good ball. Go. Can't hesitate.
Take it up, guys. Take it up, let's go.
What side you want?
1, 2, 3.
This is my first one off.
Do that. Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't lose. They chose. Hey, Buena, let's go.
Ready? Go.
Back up a little bit.
Hit it. Defense, let's go!
Oh yeah, Johnny!
Gotta jump it! Offense, let's go! Ready? Go! Take it. Ready? Go! Ready? Go! Ready? Go! Justin. Hey, land it! Hey, let's go! Now get that handle like that. Let's go, bud! How do I use Mario. Good. Watch that. Go. Justin. Burgos. That's you. Sack.
Go.
Skyscraper, you guys see it? Good.
Let's go.
Ready? Go. Get a chance. Hey, good job. Come on, D, pull that in. Rally up, just rally up. Hey, good job. Good job. Watch that inside, Mario.
Let's go, Douglas! Come on, let's go!
Ready? Go.
Hey, out! Hey, go!
Beat snag! Beat snag!
Go. Pick it. Defense!
Get out.
That's like I can't do this, dude. But whatever. Shoot.
Strong! Motion! What's your motion?
Too much zero.
There you go, rally up! Rally up! Go offense!
Send it. That little hesitation. Just go, rally up. Get there. There you go. Hey, take that. Fourth.
Mario, you got lucky, but hey, go back, make it quicker.
Much sooner. Hey, it worked, but much sooner. Come on, boy. Gotta get the snap first.
Down! Mario, you gotta get down. Roll. Beautiful ball. Atta boy.
Justin, be in that spot. Let's go, kid.
Didn't I, coach?
Hey.
Don't let him press you, Merrill.
Get it out.
Offense first. Got defense. Good job. Take it. Let's go. Yeah, squeeze that. Let's go. Send it.
I don't even know why it's
Fourth down, boy.
Let's go.
Buddha, you're gonna let him do it?
We should have
Time.
Let's go.
Hey, let me see your spin move.
You did fucking down.
Come on, Justin, come on. My boy Falcon! Coach, I'm going on, Mom.
Let's go.
Hasi. No, 10. Come on, Justin, get in there, Justin. Andy.
Set. Hey, keep going. Let's go.
Carry it through. There it is.
Good. Daniel. Good.
Middle.
Mario. That slap, Falcon.
Hey, we're starving. Let's go. We gotta start for that shit. Let's go.
Hey, we gotta get better. We gotta get better.
Bulldogs on 3. 1, 2, 3. Bulldogs.
Let's go, boys.